What's going on, YouTube family? 100K Steez here. Really quick. All I'm going to do is really just explain to you guys what's going on in this segment. This is going to be a series. This is going to be the first episode of many episodes called Backtest with Me. And what I'll be doing in this video is simple, as the title says. I'll be backtesting. That's all I'll be doing. I'm going to show you how to backtest if you don't know how to. I'm going to put you on game. And I'm also going to just spend some time with you guys as I trade and backtest a certain pair or maybe a couple pairs. Whatever I decide to do to study that day, I want you to do it with me. So I want you guys to be in the trenches with me. I want you to learn with me. I want you to see how I'm analyzing each trade I take. If I take it, if I don't, if I lose, if I win, you know, all that stuff, guys. So stay tuned, guys. It's not going to be a long video, but at the same time, it is going to be a little boring. Sit down, focus, and learn from what I'm learning, guys. Very vital that you do that. So, backtest with me, episode 1. Let's get to it. So we're going to trade AUD/NZD because, man, it's been giving me a hard time this whole week. As you guys can see, it's been doing nothing but consolidating. So I was in that just getting killed on both sides. So anyway, we'll stay on 30-minute. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back in time. Let's go back to, we'll do this time of the year, just a different year. So sometimes it'd be cutting up too, though. This is not like where, great. Hold on. Go to, so wherever it's at, it doesn't matter. Scoot back a little more. We'll do here. Now these zones are from before, and most of the time I use them, so they usually work everywhere. Look, this is 21. Why is it telling me? Yeah, this is November. This is 2021. November. So we'll start here. All right, 30-minute. Let's see. All right, we got this formation. Looks like we're going to get some buys. What we're going to do is just see what we get. Okay, so we're going up. Where to? The highs here, right? The highs here. Let's take a trade here. See what we can get. We really could have took it down here. This is really where you wanted it at, but we're here now. We'll go below the low to make it decent. 1 to 1.85. 1 to 2. So far, so good. All right, what do we do here? Let's see. Let's hold it. Oh, nice. That was like a re-entry. Missed it. Let's hold it though. MA's catching up. Let's be patient. We might lose this one. So, I mean, hey, lesson here is just, it is one of those trades that we really should have caught down here. As you guys can see, now we're talking. Good risk to reward, whatever. But it's cool. That's a loss. Chalk it up. So when you lose, you just move on. Try to adapt to the market. Looks like it's trying to buy still. Let's see. Wow, that's a sell. Yeah, that's a sell. We'll take it here. Now, where we could go, kind of moving into this weird range, so I don't know where it's going to go. Let's make it 1 to 2, though, and see what we get. Technically could have got stopped out on spread, but it's fine. Let's say we got stopped out on spread. Here's another entry right here. 1 to 3. Boom. Let's keep it rolling. Boom. Let's get another entry. I'm going to load it up right here. I'm going to load it up. I see something like that, I want to load it up. 1 to 2.5. Wow, got killed. Let me load it up right here. We lost that trade by spread. I should have known to have a stop loss better than that. That's fine. Load it up. Ugh, got killed on that one. Damn. Alright. Come on, man. We're about to get killed on our original trade. Alright. Hold on, guys. Let's keep in mind of this original trade here. Right? I'm going to get in again. So we lost 2 entries. Original entry is back at break even. Copy it. Bro. Like I knew we were going to get the drop. And honestly, I kind of clicked too fast. Here's another entry. Right here, right? Short. Right here. This is a perfect entry, guys. If I seen this, it's over. Right? And I would have seen it if I just kept not pressing this fast, but I'm really just kind of going through it. Yeah, that's clean. That's another entry. Let's see. Yeah, that's another entry right there. Boom. All right, everything's in profit. We would close most of our positions down here. Probably would have got taken out, so that's 2 wins. Let's hold this one at break even. All right, let's see what we get. All right, that would have hit break even. Cool, because now we're consolidating. Now we're trying to move up a little bit, right? Uptrending a little bit. Yeah, let's get pull back, pull back, pull back. There it is. Perfect. Now, that's where we enter for longs. And guys, sometimes, you know, it's just good to see where you're thinking. Like, just execute sometimes, you know. Look, target there. This is what I want to see. So, let's see what we get. Got killed. Cool, cool, cool. Got killed. Let's switch to shorts. Because now I see market being broken. Let's wait, though. Let's not get this trade. Let's get the trade right here. Let's see what we get some. Yep, there we go. All right, so now we'll take it here. Yo. Yo. Getting killed, bro. Getting killed. I'm following the structure, guys, but I'm getting killed, man. Getting killed by the wicks. All right, let's hold it down. Look at that melt. That's what you want. All right, here we go. That's the next one. And don't keep in mind, guys, we're on 1 time frame. It's very hard to really trade off of just 1 time frame, but it's good to master that time frame doing it this way. So let's see. I see market structure, right? I see the lower highs and lower lows. So I'm wanting to take this down. That's what I'm anticipating. Stop loss above the highs, right? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, let's get in again. We're in consolidation, guys. Boom. Down to profit. Seen it dropping. It's just, dude, it's just ugly looking, you know. All right, let's get in again. Load up. Load up. Let's get in again. Oh yeah, let's get in again. That looks good. Load up. All right, let's get in one more time. Because this is going to go, I want to be a part of it. You know what I mean? So right now we're in profit on the original entry. And the other 2 are in just small profits. Load up. AGNZD is being really crappy right now. There it goes, guys. Come on, give me the push. Good, good, good. There it is, guys. Ah! There it is. That's the type of trades I like. Right? Come on. That was a loss. So we took a couple losses off the get-go. But I got I got 4 entries, guys. 4. Take profit smacked. 1 to 3. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. This is 1 to 6.5, but you added 27 to the 65. It's about 1 to 2. So 3% plus 2% is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9%. So we basically, I think we lost like 5, 6 times just a minute ago. So we're up like 4% right now, guys. Like, so yeah, just catching the market now. Now, don't get me wrong. Right now, let's say, okay, we're closing 3%. We'll close that percent. We'll close that percent. So now we're really only up about 6%. I want to run this down to the low. Give me 4% on this. Okay, perfect. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Let's short this here because it's a great opportunity to get back in. Let's get in again. So up a couple percentages, but we're going to load up again because the market looks nice. Market looks nice. 1 to 3. Oops. Yep. Guys, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Y'all thought I was just over here being stupid. Nah, man, you gotta find it. When you find it, you load up. You know what I mean? That's what I be doing. So that's 4% bag, 3% bag, 3% bag. So we already cleared 6%. Let's just say that was our losses from just a minute ago. Guys, go back if you didn't. You've probably seen all those losses, right? Probably about 6%, 7%. Then we bounce back. We smack 4%. Now we're up plus 4%. Plus 3%. We're up plus 7%. Plus 3% again. We're basically, or really 4%, really, honestly. That puts us at like 11%. Hopefully that math was right on that. So 11%, guys, for the time being. And this is the game. So now, look, market game to this zone. We're out of the trades. I'm closing all those trades because, this area is, we don't know what's going to happen. So as it began to come down, though, that's when we realized what we were in. And really this right here gave it to me. Right here. After we broke this level, we retested it, came back, and then it broke down. And it started to trend down in this area and make new lows. And then it did that. Boom, you're in. Ooh, boom, you're in. Boom, right here, pull back, you're in. Like, if I was really trading that for real, man, I love those trades. They call them the meltdown. Entry, boom, and it melts. You get all those entries, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that was AUD NZD right there. So let's keep going. Let's do a little bit more, guys. Let's do a little bit more. So what we're going to have to do is wait for price to tell us what's going on. Of course, we're going to get some crazy rebound. Boom, market structure. Trying to shift over. So we're getting a clear push up. I mean, that zone is very, strong. So let's see. Can't seem to find an entry. I guess we missed the entries, though, really. Once the market started doing this. That was part of your entry. This one, maybe not so much, but if you looked at price action, you might be able to get. Here's my other entry that we missed, but I'm just kind of rushing through it, if I'm being honest with you. Dang, this thing gone. All right. So, I don't know what it's doing. It's bouncing aggressively from here, though. Man, this thing is jumping. I wish I caught this. Guys, I'm telling you, I would have caught this in real time. It's just so hard to really to see it when it's like you're trying to play it and let it run, you know what I mean? So sometimes I just watch it. You're watching that market move. That's the biggest thing. And so, yeah, right here, that area did not get tapped, but there's another area here. So let's see. Are we breaking through the area? Yeah. It don't look like we're gonna break through though. Ooh, yeah, we broke through all right. We're going places. Let's get entries. Let's get an entry. So really we would enter here. And now look guys, I'm gonna do this because if I did see this, I would enter. This is one of my signals. I know my trades. So I'm gonna enter early. Now I'm not gonna cheat myself, but I am gonna set a target for where I think it could go. I want to get 1 to 3, so something like that, and we gotta hold it. So right now we'll be in profit, but I want to see if it goes all the way. Okay, what do you do right now? What do you think? You think you should get out? Think it's turning around? Sometimes it does, but other times, if it's uptrending like this, I wouldn't bother. So let's see. Consolidating, dropping down now. We broke a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna enter again. Longs. Stop there. 1 to 3. Consolidation. Ooh, playing with us. This one's in profit. It's gonna sell. Ooh. Yo, games. Playing games. Oh man. Close to stop loss. In profit now. Got killed. We should have just got out of that. That was stupid. We'll hold this for a sec. Alright, we'll close this now. At a loss. I mean, at a break even. I don't care what happens to the price. I don't care what happens to price. Come on, man. Look at that. We closed it, man. That's the game right there. I closed it because I was like, it's probably going to come down to this zone and be done and bounce from there. Man. How long did this take, guys? This is also something you should do. Look, this took a whole day. Do you even have the patience to be in that trade like that when it's doing that? Oh, man, that was terrible. That's a nice little trade, though. After it went here, it bounced. It's crazy. So a lot of people are not going to be able to handle that. Like, this whole consolidation is a lot. So, cool. Let's keep going. Boom, it dropped down. I would love to buy that. Came into that zone. I'd buy that. This thing is going bullish, so I'm not going to worry about. All I need is an entry. You know, let's go off the candle. Let's get a zone reference here. Let's do this. Here's the zone reference. And the reason why I marked that off is because, look, price already went there. So that's my target level. It's a little off, you know, whatever. Boom. All right. Market came down, made a new low. Right, made a new low. All right, what do we do? Let's hold it, man. I want to see this. I want to see that. Come on, give it to me. Something like that too would work. So let's see. Yeah, got killed. Just got killed, guys. Obliterated. Lessons on lessons. All right, so that's a loss. Dude, I'm not recording any losses, guys. I usually do. Right now, I'm just learning. I'm just in the learn space. Just take trades. If I see something, I just take it. Cool, now it's going to buy. Great. I mean, I figured that was the case. Let's get in, guys. Let's get in. Stops below the low here. 1 to 3, screw that. I'm taking it all the way up. I want a big trade at 1 to 7. Let's play this out, guys. Let it play on its own. Let's see. Oh, man. Obliterated. Yo, and we was in good profit, too. This is, see, look right here. I mean, I let it play, but like this right here, guys, and look, you have this engulfing. That's your exit. The trade's done, right? And look, and give you guys a zone. Trade's done. So we had an opportunity to get in and hope for breaks. Our first signal really is right here. This engulfing originally right here. And if you didn't get out then, it did it again for you. So it gave you 2 opportunities to get out. And of course, I just let it play because it's like whatever. But when you really want to back test, you really should concentrate, like focus. Hold on. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, you really want to concentrate, but yeah. Let's see here. Let's go ahead, get rid of all of this. But yeah, hopefully you're learning right now. And some sessions are different for me. Sometimes I focus on something in particular, or other times I just get on here and backtest. You know, it's just good to do that sometimes as well, just to get used to stuff. Now, what I want to do is we lost, but I want to enter again in again, and the reason why is because we had this grab right here. We had this zone that it hit, and I'm hoping we can take it all the way up. 1 to 8. Let's do that. And I notice a lot of times the trades I get in, they go right into profit, but then they end up coming back down, like this one. So this is a loss. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Let's let it get to take profit, because then people are gonna be mad. Look at this, guys. This is AUD NZD, everybody. Close the trade. I close the trade. Nah, actually, I'd hold it. I just hold it. Let's see what we get. This thing is not doing what we wanted to do. What it's doing is taking its time, you know? Climbing a little bit, little by little. Yo, mad volatile. All right, we're going to stop it, right? No, it's going to hit take profit. It's going to hit, guys. It's going to hit take profit. This thing is sloppy. Woo! Nope, that might be it. That might have been my opportunity to get out if I was in the trade already. That's all right, we're done. Anyway, we can put it here. 1 to 6, guys. Look at this, man. Come on. So that's the game for you. This pair is definitely like that, though. It be doing stuff like that. And so what I'm looking at as far as the structure, look, I mean, it never really, market never really broke this level. It just broke it just enough where people would put their stop losses at, i.e. me, before they took us out. So if our stop loss is a little lower, it'd be better. Because sometimes we want to have tight stop losses because we're trying to do this and that. But then we jug ourselves out our spot for the trade. Because this trade is a monster trade. If it's going to be a monster trade, give your stop loss some breathing room. You know what I mean? Give it some breathing room. Look, 1 to 7. So, yeah. Really ugly. But we've seen how price slowed down, consolidated, and found support in an uptrend, which means we're going to continue. And now it's doing it again, and we can mark a zone off here, and I think we're going to continue to push up into, you know, into the zone. So let's see. And we're not going to get any place any buys or nothing, but let's see, because we haven't broke that. We can get rid of this too. Yep, there goes the uptrend. Gives us a lot of crazy stuff, though. Look at this. All right. So also I just picked up on this. Look, guys. So I'll remember this from here on out, though. Market comes and makes support and fakes us and then goes up. Oop, sorry. Let me re-say that. Market comes up, creates support, fake out, and then goes up. So I'm definitely going to be looking for stuff like this for buy opportunity. For sure. So, yeah. Stuff like that. I'm just picking up on stuff like that. You don't have to necessarily place the trade to see what's going on. And now let's see what's happening, because now we have this uptrend coming. Let's see if this will just go straight up. And it doesn't seem like it does. Let's take a look. We would think that the market, just goes straight from here. It didn't. It faked us out again. Look. It's doing that a lot. So I'm paying attention because I want those entries, because that gives us massive profit. And every time it does that fake out, it shoots up ridiculous, right? So you got to pick up on that stuff, because that thing went, whew, you know what I mean? Broke the zone and everything. Let's see what happens now. Consolidation, still following the trend. I think we can get a sell here, but it's still uptrending, so I don't know. It's going to be really, really nasty looking. Look at all this, guys. There it goes. Woo! What is happening? Trying to find a trade. All right, we're going to take this trade, even though it's ignorant to do so. But we're going to see that. We're going to try to, look at all these rejections, right? Multiple rejections. Let's take it down. Oh, that was dumb. Okay. Guys, don't take a sell and a buy. Dude, you're in a buyer's market. Don't take a sell. I just wanted to show you guys that, to be honest with you. You can make up all the stuff you want. The price is going to do whatever. You know what I mean? You can make things up. You can make it make sense why you would sell something. You can make it make sense why you would buy something. But the market's got its own plans. So you got to look at both sides. And honestly, I'm not really doing too much thinking right now. I'm just kind of trying to absorb out. Because, you got to think about it. This thing is moving so fast, abnormally fast. I'm putting all this time into one. So if I don't really slow down, I miss stuff, which is cool. Like I said, sometimes you want to have more of a concentrated session where you're, focused and, we'll do that in the next, the next episodes and stuff. But right now, dude, I'm just on here absorbing the information. And boom, that was a buy signal right there. But it looks like, yeah, there it is. There it is. The reason why I would buy here. Look, support matches up with this level as well. You got also an engulfing right there. Guys, the way I want to set myself up, I go into profit almost all the time. That's my goal. Or it just doesn't work. It either works and it goes into profit. Now, it doesn't necessarily take profit, but it goes into a decent amount of profit for us to go break even. Or trade just doesn't work. So that's my game. Because right here, we're at 1-to-1. So it's what do? You can move to break even. Let's see. Yeah, so if I move this to break even earlier, which I would have right here, because look at this. Right here. Take partials, move to break even, be done for the night. And then it would have hit your break even and you would have been pissed. But at least you would have made some money. And the market dropped. Past our zone. Perfect. Let's sell. Let's sell. That's the perfect sell. One to three. Got killed, and now it's going to drop. It's going to drop right here. This thing is consolidating too. Really, really, really terrible market conditions. So yeah, we're already out this trade, but I'm just gonna hold it as if I got in again or something. But guys, it's consolidating. Even if you do get into a little profit, it's like, come on, man. Look, it finally dropped after like a whole year, you know. Sell it right there. You can sell it right here. Got murdered. Yo, we're taking L's. Like I said, I have no idea the overall market structure. I mean, I do, but it's like, dude, when you're sitting in this 30-minute, you don't know what's happening. And then all of a sudden the market just shifts. That's just the game, you know? So definitely change your time frames when it comes to actually getting familiar with the pair. And have fun with it, man. Make mistakes, man. Just enjoy it. This was a perfect sell opportunity right there. Yep, look at that. That is just very, very ugly. Very, very ugly looking price action. But that's AUD entity for you. Look at that, and then came down. Here's your channel. You broke the channel. Let's retest the channel. Retest the channel. Not yet. Boom, there's a retest of the channel. And now it's going up. So I retested this channel here. If you look at this zone, retested it. It's playing with it. And now it's taken off on top from it. You guys can see that, right? Look, it's using it as support. It's ugly as all get out, though. It's hideous. But it's moving up after that level. Man. So yeah, this thing can drain you out for sure. So anyway, yeah, it's dropping down now. I'm telling you guys, this is all entries right here. All this is entries. Entries, entries, entries. Ooh, clean entry right there. It's coming up for the drop. Big drop. There it is. And then it usually big drop again. It usually retraces hard, big drop. Retraces big, like a downtrend. When the downtrend, it'll just, oh, perfect. It's about to sell now. Big drop. And sometimes I'll just shout out some stuff that I think where it's going to go. See if I'm right, you know. But I'm really just reading the market. Understand, okay, it's supposed to drop there, but it grabbed liquidity or it did something. Oh, okay, cool. Like, you just learn. There's no mistakes here, guys. No mistakes. Gosh, all right, I'm done, guys. This pair is driving me insane. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that session. It was more of a relaxed session, guys. Been very busy. But I always try to find time to backtest throughout the day, whether it's really quick or if it's really sit down with a notebook and, like, do my trades. Like, okay, let me take 10 trades. Really, really focused, you know what I mean? So I encourage you to do that when you're first starting out, for sure. Really focus. And then you can, you know, vary it, you know, throughout the week. But yeah, you definitely got to be putting time in, guys. So thanks for watching episode 1. See you guys in the next video. But before you guys head out, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Of course, check the description with exclusive access to MTC, the group that is out here making people, just educating people and creating success in trading. Guys, the chat's in the description. It doesn't cost you anything at all. I'll see you guys there. Peace.